Let's see how we can use the A, BS and sign functions in Google Sheets. We have the A, BS and sign functions Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the products, from product 1 to product 10. In column B, we have the cost price in dollars of the products given in column A. In column C, we have the selling price in dollars of the products given in column A. In column D, we want to calculate the profit or loss, that is, the selling price minus the cost price. In column E, we want the magnitude of the profit or loss calculated in column D. In column F, we want the sign of the profit or loss calculated in column D. That is, we should get -1, if we get a loss, that is, the selling price is less than the cost price. We should get 1, if we get profit, that is, the selling price is greater than the cost price. And 0, if we have no net profit or loss, that is, the selling price is equal to the cost price. In column G, we want the description, that is, profit of some dollars, or loss of some dollars, or no net profit or loss. Now let's head to the D2 cell and calculate the profit or loss. We will write equal to C2, that is the selling price, minus B2 that is the cost price. Let's autofill the data. So we have calculated the profit or loss in column D. Now to get the magnitude of the profit or loss calculated in column D, we will use the A, BS function. Which calculates the absolute value of a number. It takes value as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to A, BS, D2. Let's drag the formula down till the E11 range. We see that we get the absolute values, that is the values without the sign. Now, to get the sign of the profit or loss calculated in column D, we will use the sign function, which gives the sign of a provided number, plus, minus or 0. It takes value as argument. An example is shown. Given an input number, returns -1, if it is negative, 1, if it is positive, and 0, if it is 0. For our case, we will write equal to sign D2. Let's drag the formula till the F11 range. We see that wherever we get a negative profit or loss, the sign function returns -1, wherever we get a positive profit or loss, the sign function returns 1. And wherever we get 0 profit or loss, the sign function returns 0. Now, to write the description, we will use this switch function. Which returns a value by comparing cases to an expression. It takes expression, case 1, value 1, optional case 2, optional value 2, and so on as arguments. If the sign function returns -1, we should get a loss of some dollars, if it returns 1, we should get a profit of some dollars, and if it returns 0, we should get no net profit or loss. So, for that, we will write equal to switch, expression will be, sine, d2. Case 1 will be, -1. Value 1 will be, loss of some dollars. We will concat loss of dollars with the profit or loss magnitude, that is, A, BS, D2. Case 2 will be 1. Value 2 will be concat, profit of dollars, comma, A, BS, D2. Case 3 will be, 0, value 3 will be, no net profit or loss. Let's autofill the data. We see that we get the description like, loss of $1,000, or profit of $3,000, or no net profit or loss, for the conditions or cases when the sine function returns -1, 1, or 0. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the A, BS, and sine functions in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.